big one.
There he is. Yep. I see him. There he is. Woo! There he is. Primary 767 from Wilmington or something. Nice. Here goes 767. That was cool. Next up, Alaska E175 from Sacramento. Out there, got an Alaska Embraer E175 from Boys coming in. Oh, there he is. There he is. All right, we got another Embraer coming in. This time from Oakland. There he is. Nice. You can kind of see him. There he is. Nice. Hey, does that winglet? Curve, that's how you know he's an A350. Oh, there he is. Woo. What's no engine? Look at that.
Holy cow!
Bye. Oh, there's a United coming in. chubby boy. A chubby boy. Massive dude. Nice. A little one out there. The Delta Embraer. The Embraers are like super cute, honestly. It's so adorable. Yeah. Little Delta from Minneapolis. I think he's like a Bye. There he is. Look at the blue. Holy cow. Woo. Goodbye. Here he comes. Oh, he's big. Look at that. There's a bird up there. What in the world? Look at that livery, dude. Holy cow. That's cool. There he is. Oh. Yeah, he's like a light blue airliner. Oh, look at that big boy. Oh, he's big. Look at the flower on the tail. He's all smooth. Oh, there he is. Taking off. Look at that! That's pretty cool, actually. Nice. Hi. Woo. There he goes. Woo. And he's back. There he is. There he is. Nice. Cool. There he is. Back to Las Vegas, Southwest Carolina. This is cool. I like seeing them take off. There he is. Look, he's still putting his gear on. That's big. Nice. That's a lot different when they're lower. When they're up higher, they make them lift better sound, I think. That's cool. Look at that big boy. This big United. There he goes. Oh my goodness, that was so cool. Cool, let's get coming in. Nice. Got a nice little spot here. There we go. Oh yeah, Max 9 right there. Taxiing. Look at that big boy. This is a pretty good spot. Because look, you can see him coming in and you can see him taking off at the same time. Probably one of the reasons why this.
Oh, is this Max 9 going in front of those guys? Is that why the other two are waiting?
Maybe.
The United and the Air Canada, maybe they're waiting because the Max 9 needs to go first.
This is pretty cool. Yeah, look, he's up pretty close too. Nice.
There the Max 9 goes. Looks like he was just waiting for that guy to land.
the kind of sounds you want to hear while plane spotting.
Or the...
They're just chilling. Look at these A220s and stuff are just landing like, haha, you're waiting. And they're like, ah.
By the time it took him to come in, they could have gotten one of those planes off. Enough of this.
There he goes. Oh, now he's smelly though. Here's engines. There he goes. See those engines? Oh, look at that big JetBlue. Nice. Still cool though. Still cool to see him. JetBlue A321 going to Boston. There he goes.
Wrap up. Going up.
Nice buzz. Bye. Look at Alaska over there. Found someone else, looks like.
Boy.
What is this? Oh, this is a Delta. It's a Delta right there.
Delta 737.
Oh, there's a little one behind him.
Now one's
I hear the Primary too. Oh, there goes that Alaska. I think he's going to Houston. Comes the Primary. Oh, there he is. That's a good shot. Ooh, look at that big boy. That's a good shot. Ooh, that's a nice. That is a beautiful 767. Holy cow. Another Delta. Holy cow. This one's going to Salt Lake City.
What's going on?
737-800 looks like. Probably. Primary starting. The Primary going to Fort Worth is about to take off. There he goes.
Pull up. Oh, that one's real screechy.
Oh, that sound. There he goes, taking off. Finally, that unit's going. Holy cow. That was like a 30-minute delay or something. Holy cow. Oh, look at that livery. That's a cool one.
That's the go.
I'll check it in a minute. There he goes. Going to Chicago.
Finally, on his way. So that guy's ready to get off the ground. There he goes.
There he goes. Classic 737 spool up right there. Nice. Bye. Next up, Alaska 737-900 going to Las Vegas. There he goes.
I think that's the same place. It's a different facility.
Yeah. Rare 175 going to Redmond. There he goes. Off she goes. I don't think so. Bye. Oh, I see him. Here he comes. Big old JAL 787-93 miner. There he is. Holy cow, that's a big one. It's a big fatty. Look at those 787 engines. he gonna butter? Is he gonna butter? Japan Airlines 787-9 going to Tokyo Narita. There he goes. Nice. Look, he's racing on Alaska. That's cool. Bye. Alaska 737-900 going to Bozeman next. The big one looks like it's coming. From, I think it's like Seoul or something. Or, yeah, I think it's coming in from Seoul or something. Taipei. Oh, okay. Yeah, there's actually an inaugural flight from Taipei. A week ago. Nice. Look at that. That is a big old cruiser. Look at the fuel cell. Big fatty. There's that one going to Bozeman finally. Finally. There he goes. There's the ANA 787-9 Dreamliner. Coming in from Tokyo Narita. Yeah. 737-790 and 737 Max 9, I believe. Woo. Yes. Nice. That's pretty cool. 737? Yeah, I could have 787.
Oh, ANA?
Yeah, he's a 787.
He is?
Yep. That's pretty cool. Coming in. Bye. Yeah, he's on there now. Just holding there. What's going on? There he goes. Bye. Another one. There he goes. That's a nice spool up. Holy cow. I don't know. Looks like a 737 or something. Woo. Holy cow. Look at all these Alaska. They're going there. This one's going to Anchorage right here. There's so many Alaskas. One after the other. That's cute. They get the 777. Lots of them taking off. Woo. Yeesh.
That's on the base when you're doing airplanes. Every minute is money. Every minute.
I think this is the British 777 coming by here. There he is. Big old 777-300 British Airways.
Oh, it's an old 777.
Oh, yeah, that is an old. Yeah, 777-300. Look at that. Big old fatty. That is massive. I could have.
Heathrow. That's a long flight.
There goes another one.
Long flight.
Little Delta Embraer is about to take off. Another little Embraer. Lots of Embraers here. Yeah, it's a United. Huh. Cool. Alright, the one going to Victoria is going to take off. Yeah, there he goes. Yeah, cruising.
Go, go, go.
Oh, there he goes. And we got the British 777-300 going to London Heathrow. There he goes. Let's go. That is awesome. There she goes. Oh, and there's a Delta 321. Neo, Southwest, coming in from Denver. Now we're cruising. Oh, look at this, an American A321. He might be a Neo. Or no, I think it's just a 200. It's Alaska? Oh no, I think it's a Delta. Another Alaska. That one is coming in with a Delta. 4, 5 planes. I can see. When's that one going to Victoria to take off? Any second, probably. There he goes. That's a low power takeoff, sounds like. Delta's going to Kakalui, A321 Neo. This one's coming in from Charlotte, American A321. Look at that little 737, 790. That's so cute. There he goes. Taking off. Very quiet, actually, because it's a Neo. Not too... Oh, he increased his thrust a bit. Nice. Oh, another Alaska. Lots of Alaska. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. He's racing that Alaska. Oh, the Cougar livery. Nice. That's cool. Let's go. So 37,790 going to San Francisco. There he goes. Going to San Francisco. A350-900, I believe. Oh, there he is. Hi, Alaska. Look at 37,890 going to Dallas here. The little Embraer coming in, I don't know where he's coming from. And then this ginormous Air France 350. And then the Cougars livery's over there too. And a little Embraer right there. Look at them all. There's another Embraer there, another one there, one over there.
He has to go that way because it's such a big jet.
Yeah, probably. It's on standby. Little one going to Portland, the Cougars livery is going to take off, I believe. Hold him for a sec. Oh, there's the 757 Delta. Yeah, lots of Delta. 757 right here. Yeah. Cool. There goes that one. There he goes, now he's taking off.
I got a picture of the pencil plate for you.
Boys. This guy is such a cool
Oh, look. Air France is moving a little.
Oh, yeah, he's moving a little. Yeah. There's another one coming in. There he is. Lined up.
Oh, no time, dude. They didn't like even stop. It just went.
There he goes. Ah, the 757's in the way. There we go. Hi. That was cool. And there's another next to him. We got is a Delta E175 going to Boise. Coming in. There's one coming in. Is that Alaska? Looks like it. There we go. He's taking off. Finally, he's taking off. Jeez, that took him a while. Just had to get cleared, I guess. Another Delta. Look at them all. 1, 2, 3. Another Alaska. Oh, look at this one coming in too. Looks like, oh, it's another Delta. It looks 757, 300 taking off, going to Atlanta. Oh, it looks like an A321 coming in. Alright. There he goes, now he's taking off.